Fall is one of my favorite times of the year. In the Northeast, we see all of nature pushing the last outrageous colors into the world, one last burst of beauty, a grand finale before the first quiet frost of winter.
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head?
Autumn is a season of contentment and nesting when we are, with the last leaf that falls, driven indoors to create a warm and cozy home. I hope you are inspired by some of my favorite autumn decor from our cottage and from our little shop.
And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
I'll add links to some of my favorite projects and kits that are available at lnjgoods.com. You'll find all of the supplies that I used here at our brick and mortar shop in Medina, New York, or at lnjgoods.com. Please subscribe and leave a comment below to let us know what kind of fall projects you want to see from L&J Goods.
That you say